Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to fully load Jailbreak the Fire Stick for free movies, TV shows, pay-per-view, sports, and all that. Follow me along. This is going to be a very good tutorial from start to finish. I don't skip any parts. It might take a while, about 10 minutes to do this, but once you do this, you'll be able to always update and have all the content, okay? So start up your Fire Stick or your Amazon device, log into your Amazon account. You'll be presented with a screen like that. Connect to the internet, of course. Once it's all set up and connected, the first thing you want to do on the Fire Stick is turn on developer options. It's very important. So to do that, let's go here, the gear icon, and then we'll go to My Fire TV. Click in there, and you'll see I have developer options. If you don't have developer options, that's completely fine. You'll click on About, and you'll see your device, Fire Stick 4K, Lite, whatever device you might see. Now you're going to click 8 times on the actual name of the device. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? See how it says you're already a developer? So this is how you turn on the developer options. You click on the actual name here with your Fire Stick remote 8 times, 6 to 8 times, until it says you are already a developer or it says you are now a developer. Okay? Once you turn those options on, you can click back, and you'll notice you now have developer options. This is the stage we want to do right off the bat. Okay? Once you do that, press the home button. Next thing you want to go is the find icon. Scroll down here, and we're going to search for an application called Downloader. Let's go into the search, and I'm going to use the Alexa remote. I'm going to search for Downloader. Downloader. It's going to search, and an orange icon will come up. We're going to click on that orange icon, Downloader. Okay. This screen will come up. We're going to press the download button. It's going to download the Downloader application. It's going to install it and download it. Give it a minute. Let it install. And once it installs, we're not going to open it up yet. We're going to hit the home button. It says Downloader is installed. Now, we need to get another application, because if you go into Downloader and you try to get the unlinked application, you might not be able to get it, as it's being blocked by some internet service providers, and sometimes it's not accessible. This site being blocked by various internet service providers. Okay, so you want to go to find, and you want to search for IP Vanish. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I turn my VPN on for the unlinked and the store to work. Okay, so IP Vanish. Just like that, type it in IP Vanish, okay? Hit the search, and an icon will come up like this, IP Vanish under Apps and Games. You want to click on that. IP Vanish icon comes up. You want to press the download button right here for IP Vanish. It's going to queue it, download it, and we're going to be able to install IP Vanish now, okay? So once it installs IP Vanish, we're going to open it up, and I'm going to log in with my own username and password. If you notice here, I have a barcode and I have a link. Okay, scan that barcode with your phone, or go to the pinned comment or description, click on that link, or type in this link in your browser, or scan the barcode in your phone here. What you're going to be able to do is go to that website, get a big discount. It's a few bucks a month. You can use it on unlimited devices. Going to keep you protected, give you access to unlinked, let you go and download unlinked, let you go into the store without any issues or blocks. Okay, you can use this on unlimited devices. I recommend IP Vanish. It's the best one around. You see 4-star reviews out of 94,000 people, right? So no issues here whatsoever. This works very good. They have good support. So just scan this barcode right here, okay? Or go to that bit.ly link here in the pinned comment description. Once you get to that link, hit the sign up button, choose your package, a few bucks a month, a coffee a month. Then sign up for your package. I have an exclusive offer through me. You get the most savings, and you'll be ready to go, okay? I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to log in with my own username and password. As I said, you can get it from here, and the link's in the pinned comment description. Once you have your own username and password, you'll log in. I'm going to log in quickly into mine, and I'll quickly show you the quick setup, and then we'll go off and we'll get the unlinked application, okay? Let me log in here. Once you log in, you'll be presented with a screen like this. What you want to do, first thing, you want to go to the gear icon, and you want to make sure, say, connect on Android Startup. You can use this one account on unlimited devices. A lot of people ask me, one account will get you covered on unlimited devices in one household on the same connection, okay? Once you do that, click back. Now, to get the unlinked application, go to the location right here. Click on that. Once you're in the location, go here, countries, and go to the United States. Once you're in the United States right here, click on United States, favorite the United States, and it's going to put a little star on it. Click again, and then say connect to United States, okay? It's going to come up with this. We're going to press the OK button. Give it a second. It's going to connect to the United States server. Once it's done that, we're fully protected, fully connected. We're going to now get the unlinked application. Here we are. We're connected. On Android Startup, we'll connect. To get your account, barcode here, pin comment description. Once you get to their site, choose your package. From then sign up, you'll get an email notification that your account is ready. Click to verify the account, log in, and you're ready to go. I'll hit the home button, and let's recap what we have done so far. So if we go in here, you'll see that we've downloaded the downloader application, and we have downloaded IPVanish application. And now we're going to get the unlinked application since our VPN is running and we're fully protected. Let's open up downloader. Press the allow button. Press the OK button. And go up here in the yellow thing and click into here. And you're going to type in unlinked.link, okay? Type that in exactly like that. Let's type it in here. Okay, once you type in unlinked.link, you want to press the go button. Okay, we're pressing the go button. It's going to connect to the unlinked website. It's going to come up and it's going to look like this. You can see I can scroll with the D-pad. Now, I don't have an error because my VPN is on. If you do have an error, you have to go back to that stage and get the VPN from my link, turn it on, and this will work. If you have your own VPN, turn it on before you do this. Okay? Now, scroll down until you see download APK Android, and we can press that. But there's going to be an issue. We're going to have to do it twice. So if we don't want to do it twice, let me show you the developer options, okay? Don't worry about this. We can come back. So press the home button on your remote, okay? It looks like the application closed. Don't worry. It's still there. Go in here, okay? And go My Fire TV. And remember, we turned on developer options. Go in here and install unknown apps now. You'll see downloader is off. We have to turn it on. After we install Unlinked, we also have to turn that on in the developer option, as Amazon is now blocking some third-party apps installation. It's asking for clarification to allow that, okay? Let's press the home button and click the 3 squares plus sign. You'll notice now that I can go into downloader, okay? And it's going to continue where we left off. So let's go back, okay? And click in this thing here, and let's delete this, what is here. We're going to clear all that, and we're just going to go to the unlinked up website again, okay? So if you need to pass the video, unlinked.link, okay? So why did I do this, you might ask me? Well, I did it because we would have to download the application twice. But this time, we're only going to download it again. I'll show you in a minute, okay? Unlinked.link again. Unlinked.link again. Type it in, okay? Press the go button. It's going to pull up the website again. We have our VPN on, okay? Here we are. Give it a minute to load. Okay? And same option, we're going to go scroll down to download Android APK here on their website, right? Okay? Click on that, download an APK Android. It's going to pop up. It's not going to give you any errors because our VPN is on, so it's not being blocked. Now, this pops up. If we didn't turn on developer options, this would never pop up for us, okay? It would just take us to developer options. Then we have to exit it, we have to go back, and we have to do it again. This time, we're able to press the install button, okay? Once the unlinked application downloads and is ready to go, I'm going to press the open button, okay? It's going to open up the unlinked application. Press the new library here, click into there, and type in the following code, all lowercase. You're going to type in Firestick, lowercase, okay? Once you type that in, press the next button. Now, very important, don't press anything. Pause the video if you need to. Read the welcome message. The welcome message is going to tell you which applications you should get from the store, which ones you should install, which ones are the best. It's going to give you all this information here, how to install various things that you might be looking for, okay? Make sure you read the welcome message. Everything's organized here very well. Take your cell phone and take a picture of the welcome message. It's going to help you in the future, okay? Because you can't get it to pop up again once you press the enter button. Once you've done with the welcome message, press the enter button to enter my store. I'm going to press the enter button to enter the store now. Okay, I'm in the store now, and you can scroll up and down to get all the applications for movies, TV shows, all that stuff. Just scroll up and down. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Taskkill Firestick as an example. But before we install anything, we still have to turn on developer options, and I'll show you the error that comes up and how to do it, okay? So let's press the Taskkill Firestick, press the download, and this you would download any other applications in the same method, in the same way. Install app you would press on any other application. As you see, the permissions are required. We're going to press the OK button, and as you notice, it goes straight to developer options now, and install unknown apps, and we have to turn on the unlinked now. So you have to do this for all the applications as well. Even if you download other applications, make sure you turn them on in developer options because they will not update, okay? Once you've done that, I'm going to hit back and hit back one more time and hit back one more time, 3 times. And now you can see I have the option to press the install on the Taskkiller and successfully can install the Taskkiller. Okay, Taskkiller install, ready to launch, okay? This threw me back into Downloader, no issues. I'll just delete the installation file. I'll exit this. And you can go back to the unlinked store at any time to get more applications. So I'm going to go back in and I'm going to download another application. And this time it's not going to throw me out after installing the application. It's going to stay in there and I can go back anytime into the store. So let me go back in. Let me get another application just to show you the installation method, okay? Here I am back. I'm going to show you another one. IPVanish as an example, but you scroll up and down, you'll find over 50 applications in my store. These are just example apps that I'm going to show you, that I'm permitted to show you. But everything else, you just scroll up and down, left and right, and you can get tons of applications. Same concept now, install app, but you can see I will not get the permission error now. It's just going to take me straight to the install. I would be able to install it, but installation failed because I already have it installed. We already installed IPVanish. This was just as an example, okay? This would override it, and then you'll be able to install it. Scroll up and down in my store. Get all the applications you want. You can go back into my store at any time, and as you can see, I was running, my VPN was running, it was always turned on, I was always protected. You could see I was always connected and always protected here, okay? So let's get out of here, and 3 dots plus sign, and you can see that if we successfully install these applications, so we got a downloader, and then we install the IPVanish, then we install the unlinked. You can go back in any time, and we install the Taskkiller. All the other applications that you install will show up here, okay? And the VPN is always connected, always on for your protection. You can get that as well. Scan the barcode here, go into pin comment description to sign up for your VPN access. You always get the updates in the unlinked store, and you always be able to get more links and more content in your apps, and unlinked will always work for you without any blocks, okay? So once you're done that and you install some apps and you can't find any apps, just a little tip for the end. Go to gear icon, go to My Fire TV. Okay, you'll see a couple of things here, developer options. So always install unknown apps. Make sure this is always turned on, as I said, okay? Let's go back here. So if some applications don't show up, you can access them from the gear icon and applications as well, and manage installed applications. And you'll see all the applications are here, and you can launch them directly from here if Amazon has blocked that application, okay? Just show all applications, and that's fine. You can see that I have quite a bit of applications installed. I have 1 gig available. You can also install applications to USB storage if you hook up a USB storage to your Fire Stick. That's another content of a video. So that's pretty much it. Load as many as you want. You can install many applications. You can get nice 1020 from my store, give you all the movies, shows, sports, whatever you like. Make sure you get the VPN. Pin comment description is the link. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if this has worked for you or if it hasn't, what issues you run into. I'd love to drop some comments in the link in the comments below here on YouTube. Let me know which city and town you're checking in from. Let me know if it worked. Let me know how long you've been watching me, where you found me. Let me know if these updates are working for you. Let me know which apps are not working so I can update them. And let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button and don't be shy. Drop a comment. Let me know which city and town you're representing, okay? And who you are cheering for the Super Bowl. If you want, if you're brave enough, drop a comment in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.